After independence, India had a huge problem. Poverty everywhere. So how did the government plan to develop the country? Hello students. Welcome to Anju Smart Classes. Today we will understand planning in India from Class 12 Political Science Chapter 3. Politics of Planned Development. Planning means making future plans for the best use of available resources. In simple words, planning helps a country decide how to use its resources to grow the economy. After independence, India wanted development. But development did not mean only economic growth. It also meant social justice, so that every section of society could benefit. The government had to play a very important role in India's economic development. It had to create policies and plans to improve industries, agriculture, employment, living standards. During the freedom movement, most leaders agreed on one important idea. They believed that removing poverty and reducing economic inequality should be the responsibility of the government. So after independence, India adopted the idea of planned development. Points to remember. Explanation. At the time of independence, India wanted to develop like Western countries such as USA and UK. There were two models of development. I. Capitalist model, private businesses, less government control, focus on profit. E. Socialist model, government control, focus on equality and welfare. India adopted a mixed economy model. This means India used both capitalist and socialist ideas together. In a mixed economy, some industries are controlled by the government. Some industries are run by private companies. In 1944, a group of industrialists made a plan for India's economic development. This plan is called the Bombay Plan. The Bombay Plan suggested that the government should play an important role in economic development. The basic goal, raise national income. Meaning, the planners, government, wanted to increase the country's total income so that people can earn more and live better. Balance between industry and agriculture. Meaning, India should not focus only on factories, industry, or only on farming, agriculture. Both are important, so equal attention should be given. Leftist ideology. Meaning, leftist people believe, help poor and weaker sections. Government should provide welfare, support, schemes, benefits. Focus equals equality plus social justice. Rightist ideology. Meaning, rightist people believe, businesses should have freedom. Market should work on competition. Government should not interfere too much. Focus equals freedom plus economic growth. National Development Council, 1952. Meaning, the government created a body called National Development Council to help in planning and development of the country. It was formed on the 6th of August 1952 based on the first 5-year plan. What is Planning Commission? Yojana Ayog. It was an organization made by the Indian government to plan the country's economic development, like how money should be used, what sectors to grow, etc. 1. Established on the 15th of March 1950. It means the Planning Commission started working on this date. 2. Non-constitutional body. This means, it is not written in the Constitution of India. It was created by the government's decision, not by law in the Constitution. 3. Established by a resolution of government. This means, the government simply passed a decision, resolution, to create it. No special law or constitutional amendment was needed. 4. Prime Minister is the ex officio chairperson. This means, the Prime Minister is automatically the head, chairperson, ex officio, equal gets the position because of their main job, PM. Thus, Planning Commission was a government body, not constitutional, created in 1950 to plan India's development, and the Prime Minister was its head. Objectives of Planning Commission. Small diamond. Main idea. The Planning Commission's job was to plan India's economic development. Assessment of resources. It means, to find out what resources India has, such as material, land, minerals, machines, capital, money, human resources, people, workers. 2. Plan for best use of resources. It means, to make plans to use resources properly, so that there is no wastage. Development is balanced in all sectors. 3. Deciding priorities. It means, to decide what is more important to do first, e.g., agriculture, industry, education, etc. 4. Checking progress. It means, to review whether the plans are working properly or not and check the progress of development. 5. Replaced by Niti Aayog, 2015. It means, the Planning Commission no longer exists. It was replaced by Niti Aayog on the 1st of January 2015. The Planning Commission identified resources, made plans, set priorities, and checked progress, but now it has been replaced by Niti Aayog. The Planning Commission identified resources, made plans, set priorities, and checked progress, but now it has been replaced by Niti Aayog. Planning Commission, 1950. What is this about? It explains what the Planning Commission used to do after it was created in 1950. 1. Opted for 5-year plans. It means, the Planning Commission made plans for 5 years at a time. Each plan had goals for development, like growth, jobs, industries. Simple, development was planned in 5-year periods. 2. Power to make policies and projects for the states. It means, the Planning Commission could make policies, rules, plans, suggest projects for different states. Simple, it guided states on what to do for development. 3. Help in designing and executing policies. It means, the Planning Commission designed, created plans, helped in implementing them. Simple, it not only made plans but also helped in putting them into action. Thus, the Planning Commission made 5-year plans, guided states with policies, and helped implement them for economic development. First 5 years plan 1951 to 1956. Main focus of this plan was on agriculture. Investment was made on dams and means of irrigation during this plan. Bahakar Nangal Dam project is its example. Second 5-year plan 1956 to 61. What is this about? It explains the main idea and features of India's second 5-year plan. 1. Main focus was on development of industry. It means, the government focused on building industries, especially heavy industries like steel, machines, factories. Simple, India wanted to become more industrial and strong. 2. Heavy duties were levied on imports. It means, government put high taxes on imported goods. Why? To protect Indian industries from foreign competition. Simple, make foreign goods expensive so people buy Indian products. 3. Formulated by P.C. Mahalanobis. It means, this plan was designed by economist P.C. Mahalanobis. His model focused on industrial growth for long-term development. Simple, he created the plan to make India industrially strong. Thus, the second 5-year plan focused on industrial development, protecting Indian industries, and was designed by P.C. Mahalanobis. 5 years plan at a glance. Let's quickly understand India's 5-year plans in a simple way. The first 5-year plan, from 1951 to 1956, focused on agricultural development to improve food production. The second plan, from 1956 to 1961, focused on industrial development to strengthen the economy. The third plan, from 1961 to 1966, aimed at self-reliance in food and reducing unemployment. The fourth plan, from 1969 to 1974, focused on increasing production and achieving economic stability. The fifth plan, from 1974 to 1979, aimed at self-reliance and removing poverty. The sixth plan, from 1980 to 1985, focused on energy development and welfare of weaker sections. The seventh plan, from 1985 to 1990, emphasized food production, modernization, and rural development. The eighth plan, from 1992 to 1997, focused on employment, health, and literacy. The ninth plan, from 1997 to 2002, worked towards social and economic development. The 10th plan, from 2002 to 2007, aimed at overall social, economic, and industrial growth. The 11th plan, from 2007 to 2012, focused on energy and employment. Finally, the 12th plan, from 2012 to 2017, aimed at inclusive development for all sections of society. This gives us a complete overview of how India's development priorities changed over time.